Hello, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade V40s. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter password and security, and go to screen lock. As you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. Let's start with none, and let's use it to unlock the phone. Now let's go to swipe. Pin. Password. And in the end, let's select pattern. Now when it's done, we can go to fingerprint unlock. And now we have to scan our fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Simply tap the power button multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap OK, and now let's use the fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, we can select face recognition, and now simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.